Stay trying to be creative, stay ahead of the chase. The snake, stay ahead of the chase. Let's let the bass clear your mind. Yeah, I let the bass clear your mind. I tell you, yeah, Ty gave me some weed treats. I passed out. This ain't hungry. This ain't my appetite. This is severe case of munchies. Need to take my medicine. A big dose of that. Some grandpa's burger haven and a toke of that hash. I might as well be meditating. My mind as well, the time is right. My life originating, making ganja turn to white ash. Past the spicy Cajun, cayenne pepper. These trees got me blazing. Woo. Fuck the prices, but I'm saying herbs that smoke is a gift. Check out my presentation. Grab a nice slice, rice, sour. These are what I'm tasting. Making hash with silk screens. Gooey gummy crystals, trichomes, and so clean. Colors so green, vibrant flavors, what I savor. Strive to be creative, stay ahead of the chasers. Let the bass clear your mind. We some originators, yo.
Make sure it's the best available. Make sure it's the best available.
Track to the speakers verse, girls, get on it. Love and let me see it, sneak it, it's work, sneak it, work, sneak it, let me sneak it's work. Get on the girls, 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 get on the dance. Love the girls, get on the girls, get on the girls, get on the dance. Love and let me see it, let me see it.